Hello and welcome back to the channel. Brandy here, and this is Graceful 40 Wellness, and this is a length check. It's been about 8 weeks since I posted the last video. If you've seen the other videos, then you know I'm working on trying to grow my hair at least up to, a half inch to an inch a month. But I am new and I'm still sorting out, I'm new to my practice and still sorting out what might work best for me, considering my routine, considering my free time, considering my general habits. And so I'm here to share a quick update. And I feel like we might as well just start with the main thing. So last time, I just watched my last length check video, and I can tell you there were 3 lengths that I was assessing. So the first thing was my bangs, right? So my bangs in the last video were just at my chin, a little bit above my chin. And now last is here. So my bangs grew probably around an inch, but this is 8 weeks, right? So last time they stopped here. So this is all new length, okay? So we got bangs growing, that's at least a half inch to an inch. And then my last video where I was looking at the length, for the length in the front, it was last time right here. So not quite at the curve, but just half inch above. And it looks like it's still the same length. Hold on, stand up straight. Maybe if I do this, it'll be easier to see. So I think it's about the curve of my arm, but I will say it seems like my actual length is taking a little bit more time. Maybe this side is different. I don't know if I'm genetically even or symmetrical. So no, it seems like it's just about to clear. So I have about another half inch to grow out the front to be back to kind of where I was trying to be, or I guess where I was before. So now just taking a chunk from the back, and I don't really remember it this way, because what I did is I flipped it over and I just grabbed some hair because I'm wearing this shirt. So we're gonna do this. And last time my hair was before the haircut, because in that last video I showed you before I went and got my trim, my hair was at a 6. And when I went and got my trim, my hair went down to a 5 on my back. So let's see where we're at. And just when my hair was standing on its own, without me tugging on it to pull it to see full length, it was at a 4. So it's probably maybe still around 4, but just trying to grab a chunk from the back and then straighten out my form, looking straight ahead. Straight ahead. Whatever this is. This point. So I don't know what it is. I'll look at it on video, but I'm going to tell you what I tried over the course of this month really quick as well. I'm going to make this a short and sweet video. So what I tried this month was slowing down, working on sleep. I started to work with just biotin. I'm letting go of the iron capsules. I don't feel like I really want to keep doing that, just because I want to be more fiscally conscious when it comes to supplementation. So I'm still doing sea moss gel. I'm getting it back into juicing. I'm taking MSM, and biotin, and I have my inversion table. So this is the inversion table, and it's just cool because you put your feet down here, and then you lock your feet in place, and then you flip upside down, and you just kind of stay there until you want to come back up. So there you go. So I do inversion table weekly, which is similar to what I was doing. I was just doing inversion on my bed before, and that was fine. And you've seen my 2-week wash day cycle video, or if you haven't, I posted it so you could see kind of how I'm taking care of my hair in between length check-in videos. And honestly, something else I realized I want to do is I don't want to blow out my hair. I mean, I think it looks pretty, but I just don't feel called right now to wear my hair this way. It just feels counterproductive to my lifestyle. And I know some people like pull their hair back and slap a headband on so they can do all their fitness stuff. But for me, I actually like the 2-week wash day cycle styles, and that works fine. So I'm just gonna keep doing that for now. I'm trying to keep simplicity here. And so this is cute, but wash day's tomorrow, and I'm looking forward to washing this out just so I can get back to how I normally wear my hair. But this is good. So like I will blow out my hair literally just for holidays probably, or like special occasion, maybe like my birthday. But if it's not like a Christmas, Thanksgiving, or my birthday, I don't think I'm really gonna be worried about it. It looks okay, it looks cute. Thought I'd get a thumbnail. All that to say, like, so I think my hair either hit its first plateau and isn't growing as much, but I am starting to be more consistent about literally what products am I using, and also removing gel. So for my 2-week wash day plan, or even if it's just a 1-week wash day plan, I think I'm gonna go back to a weeklies, but I'm also gonna try and cut out the gel just to see if that helps with moisture retention and length retention, because I like gel for like literally just wash and goes, because if I'm gonna wear a braid out, then my hair is setting for a couple days anyway, so I don't really need the gel. I can use foaming mousse instead, because I'm thinking more about like what products should sit on your hair for days and days and days. It's products that are designed to set your hair. It's not actually gel, because gel is meant to be washed out. It's meant for a singular style, not for long-term styling. So if I'm putting like gel on my hair and then wearing that for a week or two, I don't think that is gonna get me where I wanna go as far as like the moisture retention I need for my hair to like also have length retention. And then also, I would not be a person who wants to grow out my hair and then put edge control all up and through my hair, because some people are using edge control as like a gel all over their hair, and I would be afraid of like clogging the pores on my scalp with something so heavy, especially if you're not washing your hair and washing it back out routinely. So I'm really starting to think more about like, if I want to grow my hair faster, I really have to pay attention to the moisture level more closely, and what products are meant for long-term protective styling. And gel isn't really, not really. So I think I'm gonna go with the butters and the foaming mousses, the leave-ins and oils primarily. So that's everything I can think of sharing, but I'm gonna keep working on my routine. One thing I'm gonna probably do between now and the next check-in, which will probably be in 12 weeks. Last one was 6 weeks, this one's 8 weeks. I'm gonna go for 12 weeks and just kind of play around with some stuff. So that is the plan for now. So weekly wash day, I am still doing my supplementation, including juicing. I am doing inversion table time once a week, or inversion therapy once a week. And I'm also trying to work on sleep hygiene, getting proper sleep and stress management, getting outside and doing calming activities, just because that's just good self-care. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Trying to keep it short. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you made it to the end. Can I get a little heart emoji? I want to thank you personally for just taking the time to spend with me today. And I hope that you have a great length journey. If you have any goals that you're working on, put them in the comments. I'd love to support and cheer you on. And that's it for today. So may God bless you, and I'll look forward to catching you in the next episode of Graceful 40s Wellness. See you next time.